paggising natin sa umaga, binibigyan tayo ng dalawang regalo ng ating Panginoon. Una, choice. Pangalawa, chance. So, choice to do good and a chance to make a difference. I urge you to embrace each day with renewed determination and a strong resolve. Let us choose to do good in the face of adversity, to do what is right, and to never stop in our pursuit of justice. Me, as your regional director, I would like to challenge each member of this class to live up to the PNP motto, to serve and protect the people. It shall be a continuous challenge for every one of us, a challenge of sacrifice, comfort, and fortitude. Haharapin ninyo ang malaking hamon sa mundo ng uniform service. Huwag maligaw ng landas, mahalin ang ating trabaho, at laging tandaan na kayo ay nanumpa na maglingkod sa Diyos, sa bansa at sa taong bayan.